Biogas technician. This is where we digest our animal waste. This is where we mix the waste. Then after mixing the waste here, we pump it into our digester. This is our digester. This is where the waste turn to gas, turn to biogas. After that, the gas will come from digester. We move from digester to our micro refinery. We call this one vessel. Simply mean storage tank. This is where we compress our gas. The gas that is coming from digester. So we compress it here. From this place, this is our industrial compressor. So we compress it. So this is our stripper or scrubber. This is the place we remove unwanted gases, because biogas has a lot of dirty and unwanted gases. So this is where we remove the unwanted gases. Then the gas will move through this pipe. We will go move into the dryer. This is our dryer. This is where we dry our gas to make it quality, as you can see. Then after moving from this dryer, we will go into our vessel. This is our storage tank. Then gas will move through this pipe. Let me just explain what we use the gas for. We use the gas to power our generator and our oven. We have an industrial oven here, and we have a small one. This is the small one, but yes. Let me just light the oven. As you can see the light. And pure blue. I don't know if you can see the flame. Economic value of this our natural gas. This time, for instance, in our Nigeria today, if you go to the gas market now, I will see the price of the market. You see the inflation and whatever. On this gas, we generate this gas through animal waste. So we generate the gas from the animal waste. We use leaf or whatever. So we had to the economic value is that we don't need to spend a lot of money